esensya. Health goal mo ay wellness. Balance what you eat, malunggay, rice and meat. Health goal mo ay wellness. Start our health goals. Eat healthy, dapat pagkain na sapat. Sabay-sabay kumain ang lahat. Huwag magpapapuhaw, time ng umalaw. Tara na sumayaw.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Wellness in your food. Wellness in your food. Wellness in your food. Wellness in your food. Balanced diet, exercise, tayo'y mag-wellness na.
Breakfast more, eat it right, make it good. Tutas tulad, balance all your food. Right food, right drink, para light the mood. Tayo'y mag-wellness na.
Sama-sama sa wellness. It's time for wellness. Sama-sama sa
Sama-sama sa wellness.
Pilipinas, bagong umaga naghihintay sa'yong sigla. Healthy habits, make sure to practice. Tayo ang bida, tara na't sumama.
Kaibigan, kaklase, kabarangay, pati na ang buo